Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make Ehomaki sushi roll. This is a dish to eat on Setsubun Day in Japan. Setsubun is the event held to pray for our happy and healthy.
This is a talisman for Setsubun. Oh, it's stinky.
By decorating this amulet at the entrance, it says that demon will not approach due to the smell of sardines and the sounds of holy leaf.
Right soy sauce.
Prepare the ingredients. First of all, make omelette.
Sugar.
Add seasoning to the eggs.
And salt.
Mix well.
This is a special frying pan for fried egg.
Heat the oil in a frying pan. Put the egg. Cover and bake slowly over low heat. After a while, open the lid and check. A little more. When the surface of the egg almost solidifies, turn it over. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday and sometimes twice a week. Please subscribe. Omelette is ready. This is tamagoyaki. Next, peel the shrimp shell. Make a cut in the back and take out the internal organs. Skewer the shrimp. This way the shrimp will not bend when boiled. Setsubun is also a calendar that means to divide the seasons, usually the 3rd or 4th of February. But this year's Setsubun is February 2nd. This is the first time in 124 years. Boil the shrimp. Japan has a calendar that divides the year into 24 called the 24th season, also called the 24 solar terms. Setsubun is one of them. This channel also introduced some of the other 24th seasons. Next, make sushi vinegar. Mix 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. Add sushi vinegar to 300 grams of cooked rice. Mix well. Cool with a fan. I'll introduce another tradition of Setsubun. Setsubun has a tradition of throwing dried soybeans, and we say,
Oiwa kata. Fuguauchi.
the word of oni means devil or demon in Japan.
Good luck.
We are telling it to go away.
Good luck to you.
And we eat soybeans of our age +1. Then, cut the cucumber. Cut vertically into 8 equal parts. Cut the omelette. Cut into 1 cm wide sticks. Cut squid. Cut all seafood into 1 cm wide sticks. Squid is hard to bite, so make some cuts. Make a cut diagonally. It's called kakushibocho. It means secret cut. Make a grid-like cut from the other side. Then cut the salmon. Basically, sashimi is pulled and cut. That's why the sashimi knife is long. Finally, tuna. This time, I use fatty tuna chutoro. That's gorgeous sushi roll. All of the ingredients are ready. It's common to put 7 kinds of ingredients in ehomaki because 7 is an auspicious number. Finally, roll the ehomaki. Spread vinegar rice on the seaweed. The bamboo tools laid under the seaweed are called makisu. This is a special tool for rolling sushi rolls. You can use plastic wrap. Arrange the shiso leaves. Fatty tuna, chutoro, salmon, squid, boiled shrimp, cucumber, omelette, tamago yaki. Finally, salmon roll, ikura-chan. Jam! Rolled beautifully. Ehomaki is said to have originated in the Osaka area. Actually, convenience store 7-Eleven named it Ehomaki and launched it in 1998. It spread all Japan rapidly from around 2000. So when I was a kid, there wasn't food called Ehomaki. Spread plastic wrap, removed from makisu. As it is easy to lose its shape, wrap it in plastic wrap to shape it. Wrap the Ehomaki tightly. Leave for 5 minutes to shape. It's done.
On Setsubun Day, people turn to the good direction of the year and eat this. The good direction for this year is south-southeast. And it said that if you eat up silently, your wish will come true. However, it's too big. It's so hard. Oh, yes. It was very hard. I wish for the growth of this channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.